First, go to the UnifiedCalc Speed Converter page. The link to the calculator is in the video description. In the Value box, enter the speed number you want to convert. For example, 120. Next, select your starting unit from the From drop-down. Let's choose kilometers per hour, or km per h. Then, choose your desired target unit from the To drop-down. We'll select miles per hour, mph or mph. The converter instantly gives you the accurate result. 120 kilometers per hour is about 74.5 miles per hour. You can also hit the Swap button to reverse your units instantly. It's fast, free and accurate. Find the link in the description below.